This is one of the aquaponic systems that we have. We keep crayfish in. You can see a little guy right down there. He's kind of hanging around. Got another one over there. They come up and I toss in some food and they grab the food and take off with it. Got some floats in here for them. There's probably about 50 to 60 in here. There was at least a minimum of about 6 to 7 inches long. They grow real good in an aquaponic system. Over here is my other aquaponic system. I got some bluegill and some koi, catfish. I'll drop a little bit of feed in here for them. Normally I don't have to feed them, they eat the mosquitoes, but I'll let them see if I can get them to come up and say hi and see if we can't get some action out of them. There they go. Yeah, they're coming up to say hi. That's the koi, but I got about, at least a dozen, maybe a dozen bluegill in there. They're probably about 7 to 8 inches long. And then I got some catfish. They're down the bottom. They're probably about 7 to 8 inches long. So all this water gets pumped out, goes over to the jelly bucket systems, my aquaponic systems, the arc systems. Everything comes back. Nature at its finest.